How to fix camera distortion on Realme Narzo 90x. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button. After just click and hold side power button. So restart device from here. After restart device, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. Scroll down and search camera app from here. Click on camera app. Click on storage usage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so clean lens with the help of tissue paper. After clean camera lens, you will see your problem is solved. But if it is still not solved, go to app library and click on settings app. Scroll down and click on system and update and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update and click on backup and reset phone and click on reset network setting. Enter phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix camera distortion on Realme Narzo 90x. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.